In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt Lovable. Lovable is a tool that turns plain English ideas into working projects, so the clearer your input, the better your results. We'll start at the very beginning and end with your first prompt, keeping everything simple and easy to follow. Open some space on your screen, take a breath, and let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to click, what to type, and how to phrase your idea for a strong first build. First, head to your web browser and search for Lovable. In the results, choose the official Lovable website so you're on the right page. Once the site loads, look for the Login button, typically at the top right, and click it. This takes you to the sign-in screen. There may be different ways to access your account, but for this walkthrough, we'll use the email option to keep things consistent and straightforward. On the sign-in page, click Continue with Email. When prompted, enter the email address you use for Lovable, taking a moment to check for typos. Consistency matters here because your projects are tied to that account. Click Continue. Next, type your password. Use a secure, unique password and consider a password manager to avoid mistakes and keep your credentials safe. When everything looks correct, click Log In. If the dashboard opens, you're in the right place and ready to prompt. Give the page a moment to finish loading before you continue. Now, find the prompt box. This is where you describe what you want Lovable to build. Think of it as a clear request, what the project is, who it's for, and any must-have elements. You can specify style, features, or constraints in natural language. For example, you might write, build a portfolio website that showcases my videos. That's a great starting point because it states the purpose and the key content. If you already have details in mind, add them in the same sentence to guide the generator. Once your prompt reads the way you want, click Send. Take a second to verify spelling and clarity before you do, because small tweaks can make a big difference. After you send, wait while Lovable generates the project. You'll see it process your request and assemble the result. This can take a short while depending on complexity, so be patient and let it finish. When the generation completes, you're set to explore what it created and build from there.